Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Women. How are you my dear friends? Ready for a fresh youthful look? In this video we reveal 37 hairstyles for women over 60 that are not only stylish but can take care of your appearance. Whether you are embracing your natural grey, adding subtle highlights or just want a modern low maintenance haircut, these haircuts are the perfect blend of elegance, edgy, and easy. These styles are ideal for mature women looking for a hair refresh, women with fine or thinning hair, anyone over 60 who want to feel confident and stylish again. Watch till the end and find your next hairstyle inspiration. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more age-defying beauty content. So my dear friend, if you like my video, please press the like button. And after watching the video, you must comment in the comment section how was the video and what you want to see on our channel videos. The right haircut can do wonders. It can lift your features, add volume where you need it, and take care of your appearance without surgery or makeup. These haircuts are all about softness, shape, and flattening movement. Which haircut will you try next? Comment below and let us know. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Beauty of Women for more fabulous style tips and timeless beauty. Somehow I will keep bringing good videos for you guys. At the same time, I would like ask your permission to leave. See you soon in another nice video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thank you and keep watching.